To set camera to capture motion photo before and after shutter on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, you want to tap on the quick controls button, then tap on the settings icon. Now we scroll down and then tap on advanced picture options. In here, tap on motion photo capture, and from the pop-up you could choose before and after shutter or before shutter only. So in this video we will select before and after shutter. Now if you go back to your camera and at the top here, turn on motion photo, and if you capture a photo, it will capture a clip before and after the shutter button. So in here, if you view in the pictures, it will capture both before and after the shutter button is pressed. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.